Hey Paul, this is Mike. I'm going to show you, you remember when we went to Scott's camp? We came over the levee here? Well, let me go show you what we got now. This is the levee we drove up on. Give me a minute to walk over there. Got a lot of vehicles parked on this side of the bayou, or the levee. They usually do that when the parking lot's full during the summer. Yeah, that's not the case this time. Well, yeah, it is full. Take a look at this water. Yeah, in the middle of that water is where we were parking. The water's up. Check it out. Is that a lot of water or what? Well, I'll leave it at this.